Hey guys, it's Gina. I want to share with you something the brand sent over for me today to share with you guys. I really love this. These are picture frames for your car and they attach to your visor. You get 4 of these in the pack and then they come apart. Let me show you. They just come apart like this. You put your picture inside here. I don't actually happen to have a picture with me right now, but I do have a Chick-fil-A gift card. I can sit that in there to show you what it looks like. After you put the picture inside, you're going to put the frame back together like this. So once you get the card in the frame, you are going to take your hook that is going to attach it to the visor. There's a little red strip here on the back that you're going to simply peel off, and then you attach this to the back of the picture frame. Just like that. See, I'm going to slide it right on my visor. And then the pictures are right overhead. So let me show you looking up really quick. Yes, these are so cute. So again, you get 4 picture frames in the set. They each have the little hooks that go on the sun visor. Another idea I thought about for these, if you don't even want to put pictures in all 4 of them, how neat it would be to give these as a gift and even put like motivational quotes. I'm thinking like for my kids, or even a reminder that they're loved and that they could have these up on their visor. So a lot of fun uses for these. I love this. Definitely go check these out.